Hi, for this question, triangle PQR, in this triangle we've got two bisectors. The bisectors of angle PQR and PRQ, they intersect at Y. There is a bisector of PQR, this bisector here, intersect the other bisector of PRQ, both at Y. If this is a bisector, I may call this angle theta, and therefore this is going to be equal to theta. And if this is beta, the other one is going to be equal to beta. What do we make of this? The other thing is, from the question we've got that the straight line XYZ is parallel to QR. This line XYZ is parallel to QR. It means that these two lines are parallel, therefore we can use Z angle. What I mean by that, if this is theta and there's a Z angle here, and these two lines are parallel, that's going to be equal to theta. Therefore, if I make all this M as a side, and this one is M as well. Two equal angle means that the triangle is going to be an isosceles triangle. Here we've got a similar story. If this is beta and there's a Z angle, so this is going to be equal to beta. And you can see beta and beta, this one also is an isosceles triangle. And I make all this N and this is N. Now we need to prove that the perimeter of PXZ is equal to PQ plus PR. So PXZ. Alright, so what do? We find the perimeter of PXZ, triangle PXZ. Now its perimeter of triangle PXZ is going to be equal to PX plus PZ if you want, plus XYZ. I mean XYZ. That's the length. Now what is the length of PX? Now px is obviously pq minus m. If you take this length, you take this length and you subtract m, you're going to get that small one. So pq is equal to px is equal to pq minus m. So pq minus m. And pz, similarly, if you want this length, you're going to take the whole length, that is pr minus n, so pr minus n, and you're going to end up with pz. Alright, so this is it. And now x, y, z. We did say x, y, z is m plus n. So plus m plus n. So it means pq plus pr minus m minus n plus m plus n. And that means minus m plus n cancels out, minus n plus n cancels out. I'm left with PQ plus PR, and therefore this is the perimeter of PXZ. We were told to prove that PXZ is equal to PQ plus PR, and here we are, PXZ is equal to PQ plus PR, and that's been proved. Here we are, take care.